Hey everyone, it's TechWares. I hope you're doing well. I want to show you the best way to update your driver for the TP-Link BE6500, aka the Archer TVE400E. This is the Wi-Fi 7 and Bluetooth PCIe adapter. This is the page for it right here, the support page on TP-Link. So this, if you have this, you probably want it because, or you probably got it because it has Bluetooth 5.4 and also Wi-Fi 7. So if you go to the support section on the page, you will see that the driver, there's only two drivers right now as of making this video. This one and this one. However, I found the best way to update the driver, and it is not from TP-Link, because the TBE400E is based on the MT7927 chip, the PhiLogic 380 from MediaTek. So the chip inside of this is from MediaTek. So why should we update the drivers from TP-Link when we can get the drivers directly from MediaTek and update them that way? It is better, and because they're from MediaTek, they're the latest ones. So the best way is to go to this website. I'll leave it in the description. And as you can see, this is the driver for the MT7927, which is the same chip that we have in the adapter. So as of making this video, the latest version is from October 27th, 2025, which is a few days ago. Today's November 1st. As you can see, the drivers on the TP-Link website are very old. As you can see, they're very old. So what you do is click on the first one, or the latest one, as of you're seeing this video. For me, it's from October 27th. Click on the page. Just let it load for a bit. So there we go. So as you can see, the wireless driver is version 5.7.0.4555, and the Bluetooth version is 1.0 1044.0.557. Scroll down, click on download. Okay, it will take you to this website right here. It's a MediaFire. It's hosted on MediaFire. Download it. Once you download it, open up where you downloaded it at. For me, it's on my documents. It's going to be a zip folder. A zip file. So just extract it. You can click on extract all, or you can do 7-zip. Once you extract it, the folder will look like this. Now you don't have to open up the folder, but I just want to show you what it looks like. So the folder is going to have two subfolders within it, one for Bluetooth and one for the wireless. Now, to install the driver, don't go into the folders and double click the exe. Just leave them as is. Okay, leave them as is. What you have to do is you have to go into your device manager. So go to your start button, type in device manager. For me, I have it pinned right here. So open up the device manager. Once you open up your device manager, it's going to look like this. Now we have to access two things. First, the Bluetooth. Second, the network adapters, which is for the wireless adapter. Now, we're going to try to update the Bluetooth first. So once you expand the Bluetooth, find the TP-Link Bluetooth adapter, right click it, click on Properties, then click on Driver, As you can see, for me, I have the latest version because I've already updated it. But what you have to do is, once you open up this, click on Update Driver. You have to go to Browse My Computer for Drivers. Once you're here, click on Browse. And then find the folder that you extracted it in. For me, it was the documents. So as you can see, it was right here. The MediaTek. And then you click on Bluetooth. And then you click OK. Then you click Next. And make sure Include Subfolders is checked. Click Next. And it will install the latest driver. So Bluetooth is done. We're going to close out of that. Now we're going to do the wireless driver. So once again, Device Manager, expand the network adapters. Right click on TP-Link Wi-Fi 7 PCIe adapter. Properties. Go to Driver. Click Update Driver. Then go to Browse My Computer for Driver, same thing. Once you're here, once again, click Browse. Now click WLAN. Make sure WLAN is selected. Click OK. Make sure Include Subfolders is selected. Click Next. And as you can see, for me, it's successfully installed. And as you can see, my wireless driver is the latest version as of October 15th, because that's when they released the driver. So both of my wireless and Bluetooth drivers for the Archer TVE400E BE6500 is the latest version. And that's it, guys. You have to, after you do that, you just have to restart your PC and everything will be up to date. Thank you guys for listening. Thank you guys for watching. If you have any comments, if you have any questions, just let me know in the comments. I'll be happy to help you. Take care, everyone. Peace out.